Ever found yourself staring at your bank statement, wondering, wait, where's that charge coming from? Maybe it's a subscription you forgot about, or perhaps you've decided a service just isn't for you anymore. Today, we're diving into a common culprit, Neon. Specifically, how do you cancel your Neon payment? Let's face it, signing up for streaming services is a breeze. A few clicks, a credit card number, and boom, you're immersed in a world of entertainment. But when it's time to say goodbye, things can get a little murky. That's where we come in. Neon, like many streaming platforms, offers various subscription options. Whether you're paying monthly, annually, or through a special promotional deal, understanding how to manage your payments is crucial. And if you've decided to cancel, you don't want to be stuck paying for something you're not using. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly address why you might be canceling. Maybe you've binged everything on your watch list. Perhaps you're cutting back on expenses. Or, you might have found another streaming service that better suits your needs. Whatever the reason, you have the right to cancel your subscription. So, how do you actually do it? Here's the breakdown. First, you'll need to access your Neon account. This is typically done through their website, though some platforms may offer account management via their app. Log in using your registered email address and password. Once you're logged in, look for the My Account or Account Settings section. This is your command center for managing everything related to your subscription. The exact location of this section can vary slightly depending on the device you're using, but it's usually found in a drop-down menu under your profile picture or name. Inside the account settings, you'll find a section related to your subscription or payment details. Here, you should see information about your current plan, billing cycle, and payment method. More importantly, you'll find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription or a similar button. Neon will likely ask you to confirm your decision. They may also ask for a reason for canceling. This is standard practice, and it helps them understand why customers are leaving. Be prepared for a few prompts. Some platforms might try to entice you to stay by offering a discount or a different plan. If you're certain about canceling, simply proceed through the prompts. After confirming your cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email. This email is crucial as it serves as proof that your subscription has been successfully canceled. Keep this email for your records. Now, a few things to keep in mind. Depending on your billing cycle, your access to Neon may continue until the end of your current billing period. For example, if you cancel mid-month, you'll likely still have access until the end of that month. Also, if you signed up for Neon through a third-party platform, such as a smart TV app store or a mobile app store, you might need to manage your subscription through that platform. Check your original sign-up method if you're having trouble canceling through the Neon website. Finally, always double-check your bank or credit card statement after canceling to ensure that you're no longer being charged. Sometimes, there can be a slight delay in processing the cancellation, so it's good to keep an eye on your account. Canceling a subscription shouldn't be a headache. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Neon payments and avoid unnecessary charges. Remember to always confirm your cancellation and keep your confirmation email. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.